If the corners of your mouth are pulling downward and those lines are getting deeper and more noticeable, grab your moisturizer and stay right here, because today, Dr. Leanna is walking you through 5 powerful techniques to naturally lift and firm that whole area. Start by applying your moisturizer to your face and neck so we can get right into it together. We're beginning with a stretch targeting the platysma, that wide, flat muscle running across your neck and connecting directly into your jaw muscles. This is a muscle most people tighten constantly throughout the day without even realizing it, and over time, that tension physically drags your face downward. That's why stretching it every single day is non-negotiable if you want to see real change. Here's how to do it correctly before we go through it together. Place both hands flat at the base of your neck where the platysma starts. Then add a gentle smile, because at the same moment we're stretching the platysma, we're also lengthening the depressor anguli oris, the muscle directly responsible for pulling your mouth corners down. Working both muscles together makes this stretch twice as effective. Point your tongue upward toward the roof of your mouth. Tilt your chin slightly up and hold for a count of 15. Then we'll repeat the same thing, tilting gently to the left and then to the right. Hands in position. Soft smile, tongue pointing up. Let's go together now. Hold it. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now tilt to the left side. Hold. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And now to the right. Hold it steady. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Make this a daily habit because it only costs you 45 seconds, 15 seconds straight up and 15 to each side. Next, we're giving focused attention to the depressor anguli oris itself, because this is the muscle doing the most damage to the corners of your mouth. It's also the one contributing to marionette lines and that heaviness along the lower jaw. With clean hands, we're going to both massage and stretch this muscle simultaneously. Hook your fingers into the muscle and work upward slowly and firmly. Spend 30 seconds on each side and really feel that tissue releasing as you go. Switch sides now and repeat the same slow upward movement for another 30 seconds. The next technique is a myofascial massage along that same depressor region using small, firm pinches through the entire area. Do a quick test right now and try to pinch the tissue directly over the depressor. If there's significant tension built up there, you'll probably find it difficult to even grasp the muscle properly. And that's completely normal. It just means this technique is exactly what you need right now. Keep your mouth relaxed and loose so you can really work the tissue freely. And let's do 30 seconds of this pinching massage together. Now, before the final exercise, we need a little more moisturizer along the jawline because we're doing a gliding move. Using hooked fingers pressed firmly against the jaw, glide smoothly outward toward the ear in one continuous motion. We'll do 15 repetitions together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Before we finish, Dr. Lino wants to share something important with you. Beyond the physical techniques, it really matters that you pay attention to the emotional patterns you carry in this area of your face. Periods of stress, sadness, or tension leave a physical imprint in your muscles over time, and they become default resting positions your face returns to automatically. Start building awareness of how you hold this area and practice resting with your tongue gently on the roof of your mouth and a soft, barely there Mona Lisa smile. When you do this consistently, your muscles begin to learn this position as their natural default, and eventually it becomes effortless. Now that we've released the muscles pulling downward, it's time to strengthen the ones that lift everything back up. We're finishing with a cheek toning exercise, 2 sets of 15 repetitions. Here's how it works. Gently bring your lips together without pressing hard, just touching lightly. And from that position, create a smile, focusing all the effort into your cheekbones and the apples of your cheeks. Place your hands lightly over the cheeks to add resistance and make every rep work harder. Two important things to watch for here. First, do not press your lips together tightly or bite down. The lips are just resting against each other, and all the power comes from the cheeks. Second, do not let your eyes scrunch up while you do this, because that reinforces fine lines around the eyes. Smile only from the mouth down. Ready? Let's go. 15 reps together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Shake it out, blow through your lips to release the tension. Rest and breathe. Second set, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Relax completely. This full sequence takes about 5 minutes, and if you practice it consistently, the results will genuinely surprise you. Do it every other day with the exception of the neck stretch, which should be done daily to counteract the postural tension we accumulate just living our lives. Rotate it with other techniques to keep your full face working evenly. And if you're ready to go deeper and follow a complete, organized facial fitness plan, Dr. Leanna invites you to check out the full program linked in the description, where you'll find dynamic, structured routines with lifetime access and zero fluff. If you made it all the way here, I truly want to hear from you. Drop a comment telling me where you're watching from and what you'd love to see more of, because this community genuinely matters, and Dr. Leanna is here to help you every step of the way.